Hey people, so as of yesterday I began reading this book. It's called Switch On Your Brain, and this has been written by literally a neuropsychiatrist, a doctor. I mean, it's Dr. Caroline Leaf. So you can say this book has been written by a neurologist, and I didn't know this. Yeah, that apparently the way you choose to model your brain will affect 4 generations after you. I mean, this was baffling to me because apparently um, women who have suffered abuse, like in their growing up years, abuse in whatever form, have a 60% more chance uh, to give birth to an autistic child, because apparently the brain has a way of it makes these synapses, right? So uh, I mean, it those synapses at some level will start affecting our DNA. I mean, this is like very deep stuff, but if you read this book, Switch On Your Brain, it'll open your brain to the fact that that the way certain, like, brain is essentially also a lot of protein, right? So DNAs are like these tiny protein packets that have been zipped up, but according to the way we think, those protein packets can be zipped or unzipped. Like, as in, you this was a study conducted with regard to twins. Children who are born twins and from the same set of parents holding the same genes and all of that, one twin might develop cancer, the other may not. Which, again, when it comes down to it, it's the thought process that is causing those particular genes to get unlocked, those cancer causing, that makes you susceptible to those things. So really, people, this will baffle you. It's called, this will really switch on your brain, much like the title. So, and it's by Dr. Carolyn Leaf, The Key to Peak Happiness, Thinking and Health. So this, I think you can find it on Amazon. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.